Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Heliza Rahmania Hatta from Mula Warman University. Will present our paper about using augmented reality to learn English for children. Introduction. English is one of the world's official language recognized by the United Nations, or is called the universal language. So, English can also be said as the official language of communication between countries. The importance of the ability to speak English to communicate is needed. Therefore, a country that does not use English encourages its people to learn English, including Indonesia. That's why learning English since childhood need to be done to get generation that has good English skill because children understand what is being taught faster. Therefore, we need an appropriate interactive English learning method so that it can be easily understood by children need to be applied. Several factors can be considered in choosing a teaching method, namely internal and external factors. So teachers are required to be professional in choosing methods and organizing the teaching and learning process. There are many methods used by teachers so that learning can be achieved. To realize interactive English learning, an English learning method is needed in the form of media application using smartphone-based augmented reality technology to help children learn English. By utilizing ER technology, it is hoped that the English learning process for children will not only become more interactive but also be more independent. A method is needed to build an application with ER technology. This study uses ER technology, which is expected to be a medium for learning English for children. Augmented reality or ER technology is a combination of real and virtual objects in real environment runs interactively in real time, and there is integration between objects in three dimensions, namely virtual object integrated into the real world. Merging real and virtual object is possible with appropriate display technology. Interactivity is possible through certain input device and good interaction require effective tracking. ER technology has been widely used in the world of entertainment, military training, medical, engineering design, robotic manufacturing, education, and others. From a technical point of view, AR is transformative technology. One of the most important characteristics is how AR makes an entertaining transformation in the user interaction process. The interaction system is not limited to a certain place but cover the wall outside the screen display. From an economic point of view, the implementation of VR technology does not require high-cost equipment. To be able to run an AR-based system, it only requires the support of minimum specification of computer, a program that run AR, and a camera. Result and discussion. This learning media has one process, namely on the start button. This process is process where the application will bring up 3D object from the marker available in application. How to bring up 3D object on the screen of the user Android device or user is by pointing the camera at the book that has a marker image or 2D object from 3D object. Images on book are a fragment of the rendering process of 3D objects stored in applications that have been installed on Android device. The scanning process is in single target, which means that the camera can only process one object at a time. When the user opens the application, will immediately find the main page when opening the application. Figure below shows the main menu display of the augmented reality application for learning English using the markerless method. The image shows the two main function buttons in this application, namely star, which will immediately take the user to the camera where the user can directly point the camera at 2D image. of the object predetermined target. When the marker is detected, the user can see the 3D object according to the marker image or 2D object in the book. If the system cannot find the marker pattern, the system will continue to search until it finds the pattern from the marker. Figure below show the scan result from the ER camera in the application, which show one example of an object available in this application, namely a bear. In this application, there are 10 objects, namely elephant, bears, tigers, camel, rhinos, bananas, apple, pears, orange, and watermelon. If the user press the play sound button, the system will display the English translation of 3D object being scanned. The result of the application in the form of English learning media have a simple and easy to use display following the display of English learning media menu. After completing the English learning media, testing is needed to see if this learning media can be accepted by children and can generate interest in learning English. Were given to 100 children who were asked by their parents to answer 7 questions. Figure below show that on average of children agree that English learning media using AR is acceptable and interesting to use in learning. Conclusion: an ER application has been made for learning English using the markerless method. Based on the test result, it can be concluded that the ER to learn English for children application is running well. And from the result of questionnaire, it can be said that this application is interesting to use for learning English in children. That's all our presentation. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.